You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. This is a word from Spanish. This is a variant of cuánto or cuánta. The pronunciation is as cuán. It's used in front of adjective or adverbs to make emphatic comparisons. Cuán, cuán. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.